Soon after Saloon and Estate, the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC Coupe and Cabriolet are set to receive their own extensive update. Shared visual features are the twin-louver AMG radiator grille, muscular front apron and new rear apron with round twin tailpipe trim elements. The interior benefits from an optional fully digital cockpit with distinctive AMG displays and the new generation of steering wheels. The 3.0-liter V6 biturbo engine now delivers 287 kilowatts, 390 HP. Together with the fast-reacting AMG Speed Shift TCT9G transmission and rear-biased AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive, it has been possible to further enhance the driving dynamics and agility. With the new C43 4MATIC Coupe and Cabriolet, we offer our customers extensively upgraded, visually and technically distinctive entry-level options into the performance world of Mercedes-AMG, says Tobias Mowers, Chairman of the Board of Management of Mercedes-AMG GmbH. With a host of carefully coordinated measures, the developers at AMG have further improved the driving dynamics. The 3.0-liter V6 engine now delivers 287 kilowatts, 390 HP, and therefore 17 kilowatts, 23 HP, more than before. The peak torque of 520 Nm is available in a broad engine speed band from 2,500 to 5,000 RPM. The new C43 4MATIC Coupe accelerates from rest to 100 km per hour in 4.7 seconds, while the Cabriolet does the same in 4.8 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 km per hour. Mercedes C43 AMG Coupe, 2019. Sporty and distinctive, the exterior design. The exterior of the C43 4MATIC Coupe and Cabriolet is considerably more expressive, even more strongly identifying the new models as members of the family. New distinguishing features include the AMG radiator grille with twin louver in matte iridium silver and the powerfully sculpted front apron with additional flicks. The side air curtains in the front apron help with optimum guidance of the front airstream. The attachment on the crossfins plus the trim element on the front splitter are finished in silver chrome. When viewed from the side, eye-catching features include the sporty side skirts plus new, aerodynamically optimized AMG light alloy wheels. Their specifically designed outer aero rings and spoke geometry which has been optimized in the wind tunnel help to improve airflow around the wheels and thus increase aerodynamic efficiency. As part of this, the developers aimed for the optimum combination of aerodynamics, weight, and brake cooling, together with maximum performance and reduced fuel consumption. The rear view also conveys a sense of sporty aesthetics with two round twin tailpipe trim elements in high-gloss chrome. The rear apron with side air outlet look and the significantly more expressive diffuser improve the airflow at the rear. The spoiler lip on the boot lid is painted in the vehicle color. The optional AMG styling package creates highlights which are even sportier, the more expressive front splitter, standard fit spoiler lip, broader side skirt inserts and flicks in the rear bumper are finished in high-gloss black. The further equipment options include the carbon fiber package 2, in which the exterior mirror housings and the spoiler lip on the boot lid are finished in black side carbon fiber. The night package contains black elements such as the exterior mirror housings, shade lines, and window weather strips.